Once again, it's just about some decadence of ingredients. We have beautiful 24-month prosciutto, fresh mozzarella, arugula. There's not enough chefs that are willing to just do something so simple and do it well.
This is amazing and it's doable. I think that's the best part about it. It doesn't feel like something that I can't do just because I'm not a chef. Like, I could do this as a mom who works.
So these are just simple lobster bodies. I cleaned them off. The thing people don't know is Munster cheese is the secret to good enchiladas. So if you keep moving it around or jostling it, it won't quite get that golden brown. That will have a whole new meaning for me the rest of my life cooking. And just some fresh shelled edamame. Cooked octopus. This was boiled for just a few minutes. I think when people are cooking at home, they often don't put enough salt in, and they wonder why it doesn't have that taste that it has in the restaurant. I know, no one understands this. No one. I'm just gonna let this simmer. I think we're ready to eat.
Wow. It's hard to make me speechless, but that is amazing.
We all knew how good this was.
Yeah.
We've had bubbles, we've had Manhattan.
Never turned down an invitation to have dinner with you, Frank.
And that's how ramen's supposed to be eaten.